So a tiny little lake or a little brook like this with 5 cygnets from the swan, 4 widow mama geese there with 4 babies, and another geese couple there with 8 babies. This is just a little tiny little area here, and they're fighting for survival. So I don't know. Daddy Greylogs already left. I don't know. I don't know anymore. It's depressing, isn't it? I don't know. I can't even find Daddy Greylog. I still believe that that is Daddy Greylog's wife there, but then people said that it's not, so I don't know. I'm sure that is Daddy Greylog's wife there with the babies. Babies, be careful. People said I will not tame the wildlife because somebody will scoop them. Well, I hope no one will scoop the swans. This is cygnet. This is a protected species. So please, people, I encourage you not, never ever try and harm or scoop the cygnets or anything here.